In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're new to Google Sites or just looking to freshen up your website's appearance, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to make your header stand out. Now let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to Google Sites. You can do this by simply performing a Google search for Google Sites, or by directly typing sites.google.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll want to click on Google Sites to enter your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and where you'll be able to see and manage all of your existing Google Sites. Next, you'll need to select the specific site you wish to edit. From your list of sites, click on the one you want to customize. If you don't see the site you're looking for, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, as this may affect which sites are visible to you. Once you're in the editor of your chosen site, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the existing header. Click on this section and you'll find an option labeled Header Type. This is your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your header. When you click on Header Type, Google Sites will present you with a few different options. You'll find choices like Cover, Large Banner, Banner, and Title Only. Each option provides a different look, so feel free to explore these options to see which one fits the style you're aiming for. The Cover offers a full-page image, giving a very immersive top-of-page feel, while Large Banner offers a slightly smaller space, but still significant. The Banner is even more compact, and the Title Only is perfect if simplicity is your goal. Choose based on the visual impact you want to make. After picking the header type that best suits your needs, it's important to remember that your changes aren't live just yet. You can click on the Publish button located in the top right corner of the editor window. Before you press the final Publish button, take a moment to preview your changes. Google Sites allows you to see how your site will appear both on desktop and mobile devices, which can be quite helpful to ensure your header looks great on any screen size. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click Publish. And there you have it. Your Google Sites header is now customized, giving your site a fresh new look that reflects your style or brand. Thanks for watching.